Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 2 on the chapter The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Let us start. It wasn't morning yet, but it was summer and with daybreak, not many minutes around the corner of the world, it was light enough for me to know I wasn't dreaming. See, actually, the narrator Aram Shah that his cousin Murad had brought a white horse, but he could not believe what he saw because he thought that it was impossible for Murad to bring a white horse because he was very poor. That's why it was very difficult for the narrator Aram to believe it. Now he thought whether he was in the dream or awaking. See the line? It wasn't morning yet. It was not morning yet, but it was summer. Actually, in summer, morning is very early, and at very early time, you can see not clearly, but if you try to look, if you try to watch, if you try to see anything, so you can see early in the morning time. Such was the time at the moment. It wasn't morning yet. It wasn't morning yet, but it was summer. It was summer season. And with daybreak. Daybreak means first light of day. When the sun rises and first ray of the sun falls on the earth. It is called daybreak. Means early in the morning when some little darkness is there and some light is there. Such type of time was at the time. So it was not morning, but still there was enough light to see that the narrator Arab was not in dream. He was in his senses because of the light around him. See the line. It wasn't morning yet, but it was summer, and with daybreak, not many minutes around. And day, daybreak just now has started. It has too many minutes have not passed. Around the corner of the world, it was light, and there was light, enough light around the world, enough light. Sorry, um, the corner of the world. Sorry, 1 minute. With daybreak, not many minutes around the corner of the world, and few minutes have passed since the daybreak started. That's why it was sufficient light for me, means for the narrator Aram, to know I wasn't dreaming, that he was not dreaming. He was awaking. My cousin Murad was sitting, and he saw that his cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. Seeing this, he was surprised. I stuck my head out of window. He took his head out of the window. He peeped out of the window. He peeped out of the window and rubbed my eyes, and he rubbed his eyes because he was surprised with what he saw. Yes, he said in Armenian. Armenian means Armenian language. Yes, he said in Armenian means Armenian language. It is horse. He said, it is horse. You are not dreaming. And Murad told Aram that he was not dreaming. It is reality. And actually, the horse is in front of him. Make it quick, be fast if you want to ride. And he told him to be quick if he wanted to ride on the horse. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more. Sorry. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake. See, now Aram, the narrator, is telling us about his cousin Murad. Although Murad is very poor, but he is not repenting. He is not sad with his poverty. He doesn't think that his birth in a poor family is a curse, as many other people think. If they are born in the poor family, they curse themselves and the God that they have been born in poor family and they don't want to enjoy the life. But Murad, the narrator's cousin, is very energetic. He doesn't think that he has taken birth in poor family by mistake. See the line. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed, he enjoyed being alive means being active, energetic, more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world. Well, fallen into the world had taken birth into the world by mistake. Because many people are there who are poor and they think they have got birth in poor family by mistake. But this was more. But this was more than even I could believe. But this thing, what? That he had brought the horse. This was more than Aram could believe. Actually, Aram knew that his cousin was very active, very energetic, used to enjoy the life, but he never believed that one day he would bring a horse because it was nearly impossible for Murad to purchase a horse. In the first place, in the first place, in the first condition, my earliest memory had been memories of horses. Actually, see, they had memories of horses because they used to think about horse and about horse riding. And my first longing me desires. And my first longing me desire had been longing to ride. And his first desires to ride on the horse. This was wonderful part, and this was wonderful because they were poor, but still they had desire for horse riding. In second place, we were poor, and second thing, they were poor, but they were not able to manage horses. They were not able to purchase horses because they were so much poor. Thank you. Have a nice day.